it's really my plan to get close as I can to a 150 with this car. And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, man. If you here just watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, man. But I got a big update for y'all, man. I've been telling y'all I got updates on the way for the L-Dog, and finally had something come through. And it is audio related this time, man. Finally. Still got more upgrade to do, but I finally did get an upgrade for my audio. And it's kind of a major upgrade because this should help me out to be able to turn everything up the way I should. If y'all have been following all my videos, y'all know when I post a video that nothing is turned up, like nothing is turned up. So if I say the subwoofer flexing, it's flexing, but it's not turned up at all. Like y'all may be getting 45-50% of what that amp can really do. So I'm working on it, y'all. I really am. And if y'all can't tell, it is raining, raining, kind of a shitty day. And if y'all don't believe me, I want to show y'all this, man. My backyard basically flooded. Y'all see that? Y'all see that shit? My backyard flooded. So I am gonna show y'all an update. This is not the install video, man, but before I show y'all what I got, man, if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, man, y'all please do so. If you know somebody that like cars, if you know somebody that like car audio, please tell them about this channel, y'all. I'm trying to grow their family so I can get y'all better content like I plan on doing, y'all, like for real. All the support, I really appreciate it, man. I'm out here in the rain bringing y'all content. I've been working for 9 days straight, y'all. I've been grinding, man. And this is like my only off day, and I'm out here in the rain trying to bring y'all some content. Hey, I'm on the grind, y'all. But like I said, man, if y'all been watching my old videos, y'all know nothing is turned up. Subwoofer level on my head unit, not turned up, being a negative. My amp, not turned up. Like maybe a quarter turn or something like that. Like, come on, man. I got plenty wiggling room, y'all. I did a 146.7 with just one AGM, the Big 3 upgrade, and a custom box, man. That's it. Did a 146.7. So I got plenty of wiggle room, man. Plenty of wiggle room, y'all. But like I said, I'm trying to make the video quick because it is raining, and I want to share this update with y'all, man. So let me flip the camera around, and then we gonna open up the L-Dog, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on right now, man. Pretty major upgrade, man. It's not, I'm just gonna show y'all. Let's get into it, man. This your boy Bass Addict. I might have to edit that out. Y'all don't need to see my code. But they're gonna be a little short, quick video, man. Pretty much update video. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for the install video, man. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that. But this is what I got going on. Northstar red battery, man. And for those that don't know, you know what I'm saying, for those that don't know, I ain't gonna open the trunk all the way up because like I said, it's raining. I still got that one too. So this battery is going under the hood, y'all. This battery is gonna go up under the hood, and the other two batteries, I'm gonna try to figure out how in the hell I'm gonna get them in here, but I'm gonna make something happen, y'all. But this battery going up under the hood, and the two North Stars going back here. And keep in mind, I am still getting me an alternator, man. Maybe a 300 amp brand X alternator. It's really my plan to get close as I can to a 150 with this car, man. I know it's possible, but you know, money is kind of limited, man, you know. So I'm doing the best I can, y'all. But like I say, it's a shitty day today. I don't know if y'all can see the clouds and stuff, all that stuff, man. Like, it been storming all night, all day. And like I said, my backyard flooded out. Like, it's terrible out here, man. But I just want to bring y'all that quick update, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscription button. Tell somebody about the channel, man. Let's continue to grow this beautiful family, y'all. This your boy Bass at it, man. We working, we grinding, we gonna make it happen, y'all. It's 2020, man. Let's get loud. I'm out.